Hello and welcome to another episode. I'm on a roll here today. How many of you have ever heard of compound interest? We've all heard the word compound interest, but I don't think we truly understood what it meant. So, I have a compound interest calculator over here to my left. So yeah, I'm not trying to act like I write this stuff down. I use what's called the compound interest calculator. And you can Google it and find it on Google. Simple. So this is a chart that I just wrote at a 10% interest rate. So at $100 a month for 10 years, which is 120 months, you would save $12,000. That's what you would save. But if you was to put that $100 a month into a component, some type of investment strategy that earns compound interest. Everything don't earn compound interest. Very few things do. If you was to put that same $100 a month in something that earned compound interest, that same $12,000 you saved would be worth $20,000. So this is wealth strategy. This is actually a wealth strategy that we were never taught. All we was taught to do was save. All we was taught to do was save. If you was to save a $200 for 10 years, this is 10 years, 120 months, you would save 40,000, no, 24,000. But you would end up with 40,000 if this was in a vehicle that had compound interest. If you was to save $300 a month over a 10-year period, 36,000. 36,000 in a compound vehicle would be 60,000, and so forth and so forth. So just think about a dinner. We all go out to eat at least once a month. For everybody that goes out to dinner and eat once a month and have a drink or two, you're going to spend $100. You're going to spend $100. So I want you to sit down with your partner and actually go over this, because this is basically just based off of dinner. Dinner for two with one drink each is going to roughly cost you $100. We're not talking about McDonald's. We're talking about a nice restaurant. $100 easily. So for the price of dinner for two, once a month, over 10 years, inside of a compounded interest rate vehicle, you could accumulate $20,000. So now, 2 dinners a month would be 40,000. 3 dinners, 4 dinners, 5 dinners, 6 dinners, 7 dinners a month. If you go out to eat at least 7 times a month, if you was to put the exact same amount of money into a vehicle that would grow at a compounded interest rate over 10 years, you would have $140,000. Now that's just one of my strategies. What if I told you that there is such a vehicle that you could put this money in, that not only draw interest monthly, yearly, like that, the compound interest. What if you can get an additional, once you get this $140,000 accumulated in your account, what if you got an additional, you didn't put no more money into this account, and you was to receive $14,000 a year for the rest of your life? If I could show you how to put this type of dinner strategies together, and even if you only put it in for 10 years and never put another dime in, I could show you how to get $2,000 for the rest of your life. 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000. Put in for just buy dinner for 10 years, once a month. Just buy for the price of dinner for the next 10 years. And you can put it on automated and accumulate this money for the rest of your life. But not only that, I have another bonus. What if I could show you how to not only accumulate this type of money, what if I could show you another additional strategy to that at being able to take this money out tax-free? What if I could show you how to actually take the money out of your account tax-free and get that $2,000 a year, $4,000 a year, $10,000 a year, $14,000 a year for the rest of your life? What if I could show you a strategy like that? If you are interested in learning this strategy, comment compound interest. Please share this video with somebody else that you know that buys dinner at least once a week. This strategy is only for people who at least buy dinner for two once a week. Once a month. It's not even once a week now that I think about it. Once a month. If you go out to dinner and you pay for dinner at a nice restaurant, I ain't even saying high-end restaurant, just a nice restaurant, for two, once a month, I could show you this strategy. I could structure this strategy for you. So if you're interested, comment compound interest below, share this video with at least 3 people, and I will show you how to utilize this strategy. Thank you.